I've seen how the organization has shifted and changed to this outcome-based, this value management framework, and how customers and partners and kind of the employees are very thankful and grateful for it. But I'll tell you, it is hard. When you talked about, Chad, the whole concept of, hard is what makes it great. But I will tell you, the way to make it great is really a couple things that I've observed. Number one is the team role modeling the behavior. And it has to start with every member of the organization, whether that's the CEO, product marketing, product management, development engineering, customer success, you name the department, every single individual has to get curious about this whole outcome selling and value management framework. I think the second is to showcase those individuals that are role modeling it, whether it's customers, and literally I've seen customers on stage presenting these outcomes and how it's helped them, whether it's partners or whether it's actually the employees, and give them that recognition. And then I've also seen just overly communicating, what individuals have realized as a benefit of really embracing this concept of outcome selling and a value management framework. And what I would tell you is that I've seen it with my team deployed, as I said, across three, but I've seen it where it can be in a low growth company, a medium growth company, and even a high meteoric growth company. I mean, every single one of these companies that I've had the privilege of being a part of, fit into one of those genres. And I wanted to make sure that the team saw the outcomes to their outcome selling.